Hi, I'm Mike, and I'd like to welcome you to the Midea Refrigeration Academy. Today we're going to be investigating a hassle-free air conditioner, an AC that cools instantly, reaches farther with its airflow, uses less energy, and is easy to clean. Come and meet the All Easy Pro, otherwise known as the AE Pro. Let's go inside and take a look. We want an air conditioner that can cool every inch of our home. One key performance indicator to help test this is the distance of the airflow, and the further, the better. So what is the maximum airflow distance that the AE Pro can achieve? Let's check it out. We are now in the Midea Comfort Lab, where we will test the airflow performance of the AE Pro. First, let's take a look at some of the testing equipment we'll be using. So this device is filled with a matrix of heat bulb anemometers, which are used to measure wind speed and direction. During the test, the device will move along this track away from the AC at an even speed, and it will measure the actual airflow at every distance. Now we'll consider the maximum distance to be the distance at which the airspeed maintains at least a speed of 0.3 meters per second. Real-time data will be transmitted to our monitoring system throughout the test. We're also going to place the AE Pro at a height of 2.3 meters, which is a typical installation height for actual users, and that's going to make our data as realistic as possible. Let's start the test. We can see that the furthest distance which the airflow of the AE Pro can reach is 7.7 meters. This means the cool can reach far into different parts of your home. I'd say that the AE Pro has passed this test. Let's move on to the next test. Have you ever turned on an AC and kept it running for a long time, but still didn't feel cool enough? That means the AC's cooling speed is too slow. To measure cooling speed, we look at two key indicators. How long does it take for one, the air outlet, and two, the room itself, to cool to a suitable temperature? Let's check out how the AE Pro will perform. Come on. We'll conduct the cooling test in the environment lab. This lab simulates the size of a room in a normal home. This is a thermocouple, a device used to measure temperature. Now we've evenly distributed 270 thermocouples at 0.5 meter intervals in the lab. They can measure the distinct temperature of multiple points in the room. Real-time data will be transmitted to the monitoring system. As with the previous test, we'll again place the AE Pro at a standard installation height of 2.3 meters above the ground. We'll set the initial indoor temperature at 30 degrees and the outdoor temperature at 35 degrees. Let's see how long it takes for the room to cool down to the target temperature of 26 degrees. We'll place one thermometer at the air outlet and another at the center of the room. Let's start the test. In this test, to cool the air from 30 to 26 degrees, we found that the AE Pro was able to cool the air coming from the air outlet in only 50 seconds and to cool the whole room in just 4 minutes. On a hot summer day, the AE Pro can deliver cool air fast. With its excellent performance, how will the AE Pro perform in energy consumption? Let's move on to the next test. When enjoying an air conditioner, it's normal to be concerned about a high electric bill. But the AE Pro offers a great solution because, it saves on energy. Let's test its energy consumption. Come with me. We'll conduct the energy consumption test in the environment lab. The AE Pro has been installed as usual at 2.3 meters above the ground and has been set to keep the ambient temperature at 26 degrees. We'll measure how much power the AE Pro consumes during 8 hours of continuous operation. The monitoring system will measure the power consumption in real time. Okay, let's begin the test. After 8 hours of continuous operation, let's take a look at how much power the AE Pro has consumed. As you can see, in the iEco mode, the AE Pro consumed only 1.13 kilowatts of electricity, which means for the same small amount of energy it takes to do a load of laundry, the AE Pro can run for 8 hours. Next, we'll have a look at the inner structure of the AE Pro. We are now in the working conditions lab. So what is the secret of the AE Pro's outstanding performance? To find out, let's open the machine and examine the dimensions of its wind wheel. Let's first look at the difference in the size of the wind wheels. Next, we'll calculate the area of each blade and the total number of blades. So the blue graphic represents the total area of the AE Pro's blades, while the yellow graphic represents that of an ordinary AC. From the test, we can see that the area of the AE Pro's wind wheel is larger than that of an ordinary air conditioner. And that's why the AE Pro can blow air farther and cool down faster. Okay, next we'll conduct our last test to see how easily the AE Pro can be cleaned. Let's go. When any AC operates for a long time, the inside of the machine will get dirty, sometimes very dirty. But users can only clean the filters of most ACs. To clean the rest of an AC usually requires professional tools and techniques, and even with professionals, the complex structure of the ordinary air conditioner makes it difficult to do a thorough cleaning. But the AE Pro offers a great solution with its X-block structure, which is easy to disassemble. Let's see just how easy it is to thoroughly clean the AE Pro. There are two air conditioners behind me. On this side is an ordinary air conditioner, and on this side is the AE Pro. The staff have already processed their filters and internal components to simulate heavy usage. Remove the lids of these ACs, and you're gonna see a dirty air conditioner. Okay, let's start the cleaning. First step, clean the filter. With its magnetic design, the filter of the AE Pro can be easily removed from the top. However, with an ordinary air conditioner, you would need to open the panel before taking out the filter. Second step, clean the evaporator. Third step, remove the wind wheel. The wind wheel can be easily removed from the AE Pro. Fourth step, clean the wind wheel and other internal parts. The AE Pro wind wheel can be easily removed for a thorough cleaning and easily reassembled. But with an ordinary air conditioner, as the wind wheel cannot be removed, it can only be cleaned with the spray gun. Now, let's check the results. We'll disassemble both ACs to compare. Both filters are clean, but the AE Pro's filter is much easier to remove. Next, let's check the wind wheels. Since the wind wheel of the AE Pro is easy to remove and can be cleaned externally, it's much cleaner. Finally, let's compare the insides. We can still see a lot of dirt on the inside of the ordinary air conditioner, while the inside of the AE Pro is quite clean. Thanks to the AE Pro's unique X-block structure, it can be disassembled faster and cleaned more thoroughly. It is much easier to clean and maintain than ordinary air conditioners. Let's review the performance of the AE Pro today. All right, that's all for our AE Pro tests. I hope you learned something new about the AE Pro. Easy life, cozy home. This is the All Easy Pro. See you next time.